Learn English through fun, real conversations. Speak English with Aisel podcast.
Abdelrahman, what are you doing? Why are you staring at your laptop like you're looking at a time bomb?
It is a time bomb, Aisel. I just saw a video of an AI bot writing a marketing plan, designing a website, and even telling jokes. It took 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Calm down. Take a deep breath. Yes, technology is moving fast, but that doesn't mean your life is over.
Not over. Aisel, I'm an English learner. I'm trying to build a career, and suddenly there's a machine that does everything better and faster than me. I feel, what's the word? Useless.
Actually, the word you are looking for is overwhelmed. And listen, everyone feels this way in 2026. But here's the secret. AI is a tool for the smart, not a replacement for the talented.
A tool? It feels more like a competitor. How can I compete with a brain that never sleeps and knows everything?
By being human, Abdelrahman, and by speaking the language of the future. If you can't talk about AI, you can't control it. Today, we are going to learn how to master tech fluency.
Tech fluency? That sounds fancy. Does it mean I have to learn coding?
No, it means learning the professional English phrases that make you look like a leader in the age of AI. It's about strategy and human-AI collaboration.
Okay, you've got my attention. My coffee is ready and my brain is, well, it's trying to stay positive. Let's start. What is the first thing I need to change in my English?
Let's start with a very common mistake. People always say, AI is taking our jobs. It sounds scary and weak. Instead, use the word automation.
Automation. Okay, let me try that. Automation is changing the workforce. Better?
Much better. It sounds like you understand the economy. Now, instead of saying, I need to learn new things so I don't lose my job, use this pro word, upskilling.
Upskilling. Wait, is that different from just learning?
Upskilling means learning new advanced skills to stay relevant in your current field. It's a very hot word in 2026 interviews.
I like it. So I'm not just a student, I am upskilling myself to be AI ready. What else?
When you talk about AI helping you, don't say AI is my assistant, say AI-driven productivity. It means you use AI to get more work done in less time.
AI-driven productivity. This is getting interesting. It sounds like I'm the boss of the robot, not the other way round.
Exactly. You are the pilot and AI is your co-pilot. This is how you should talk in meetings or interviews. Okay, Abdelrahman, let's put these words into action. Imagine I'm a hiring manager in a big tech company. I'm going to ask you the hardest question of 2026. Are you ready?
I'm ready, Aisel. My human software is updated. Give me your best shot.
Abdelrahman, we are looking to cut costs. We have an AI system that can write all our reports and emails for free. Why should we hire a human like you?
That's a tough one. Okay, let me try. Ma'am, while your AI can generate data, it lacks contextual awareness. It can write an email, but it doesn't understand the nuance of a client's emotion.
Interesting point. But the AI is 100 times faster than you. Speed is everything in this market, isn't it?
Speed is great, but accuracy and ethics are more important. AI can make mistakes or have hallucinations. I use AI to streamline my work, but I provide the final oversight to ensure everything is perfect and human-friendly.
I like your thinking. But what if the AI gets smarter next year? What will you do then?
I am committed to continuous upskilling. I don't compete with AI, I leverage it. My value is not in doing the work, but in directing the AI to get the best results for this company.
Abdelrahman, I am impressed. You used contextual awareness, nuance, streamline, and leverage. You didn't sound like a student, you sounded like an expert.
Wow, using those words really changed how I felt. I didn't feel like I was begging for a job. I felt like I was offering a solution.
And that is the secret, my friend. AI cannot replace a person who knows how to leverage technology with a human touch.
I'm starting to think that AI might actually be the best thing that ever happened to my career. It's forcing me to be better.
All right, Abdelrahman. We've talked about the words, the mindset, and even the interviews. But what should our listeners do starting tomorrow morning?
That's the big question. We need a daily plan. I'm ready to take notes, and I'm sure our listeners are too.
Here is the 2026 AI Fluency Plan. Number 1, learn one tech term a day. Don't just learn Apple or car. Learn words like algorithm, big data, or blockchain. Know what they mean in English. Number 2, practice AI prompting. Use tools like ChatGPT, but use them in English. Talk to the AI. Ask it to correct your grammar. Make it your personal tutor. Number 3, follow tech news. Read one short article about AI every day on sites like BBC Tech or TechCrunch.
Wait, so I should treat AI like a speaking partner? That's genius. It never gets tired of my mistakes.
Exactly. And remember, the goal isn't to be a computer. The goal is to be a high-value human. Use the time AI saves you to focus on your creativity and leadership.
Aisel, I came here today feeling like a V1.0 software that was about to be deleted. Now, I feel like I'm updating to V2.0.
I love that. You are definitely V2.0 now. And to our listeners, don't let the fear of the future stop you from learning. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today.
Well said, Aisel. I'm actually excited for tomorrow now. Robots, bring it on.
That's the spirit. Thank you for joining us in this special episode of Speak English with Aisel.
If you want to upskill your English with us, make sure to like this video and subscribe. We have a lot more future-ready episodes coming your way.
Leave a comment below. Are you scared of AI or are you ready to leverage it? We want to hear from you.
Stay smart, stay human, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep learning.